Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can be locked in together. You'll see when I post new videos and all the kind of cool stuff. In this video, I will be doing a nice little old haul. I'll be showing you guys what I've purchased. I picked up a couple things and I was like, why not make a video and show you guys what all I bought. I didn't buy a lot of things, but just some things that I had wanted, and a lot of places are having their semi-annual sales, so I was like, why not take advantage of this? So I got some things and I'll be showing you guys these things, so keep watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys what all I bought. I went to, oh, this bag's heavy. I went to Victoria's Secret. I also went to Bath and Body Works. I also went to Sephora. I'll go bag by bag and just show you all what I got. Since this Bath and Body Works bag is the heaviest, I'm just gonna go ahead and start showing you guys what I got. I got a big collection from their aromatherapy line. I got the Love fragrance. This is just a combo of rose and vanilla. I think the whole collection smells really good. It has a really nice rosy and vanilla smell. I know that's what it's called, but this is what the bottle looks like. Like I said, I got the whole collection. So this is a moisturizing body cream. It has essential oils in it, which is cool. It's really pretty. It smells really good. And this will be nice for coming out of a nice bath, a nice shower. And so I also got pillow mist. I thought this was kind of a cool concept because, like, who doesn't like their pillow to smell nice and clean, especially a nice clean fragrance when they're just getting out the bath or the shower, or just after a long day of work, spritz this on your pillow, wake up smelling good, go to sleep smelling good. And I just thought this was cool to, you know, just add to things that I don't have, because I don't have pillow mist. I've never even heard of pillow mist. So the next thing I got from Bath and Body Works is this big bottle of essential oils. It's kind of like a bath milk. I got the same fragrance, smells really good. The smell of roses and vanilla, it's a really good combo. So if you're interested in those fragrances, if you think those smell good, I really highly recommend you checking out and smelling this scent because it smells really good. And I thought, you know, this would be a really good scent in my bath. It has, you know, your essential oils in it, so you'll just be feeling really nice and soft and smooth once you get out the bath. And it's a really big bottle, honestly. Like, I feel like this bottle will last me for a very long time. And so the last thing I got from this collection of their aromatherapy line is their candle, same scent. Nice, fresh, rosy, vanilla-y smell. I thought this would be nice to just either light in my room or light in my bathroom, just to go along with the smells I'll have on my body, in my bath, on my pillow, just to have like the same fragrance. And yeah, so this is the next candle I got. This is in the scent Pumpkin Peanut Brittle, and it smells really good. It's like a nice holiday fragrance. I got this because they were having a huge sale on all their like holiday scents. And that's just because they want to bring in, you know, all the new scents of the year. So they're trying to get rid of all the candles, and that's why they're having their like little semi-annual sale. It smells really good. I'm not really ready to bring back all the fruity, summery scents, so I went ahead and picked up another holiday one. Just smells nice and like pumpkin-y and sweet. Yeah, that's that on this candle. This is the next line I got from Bath and Body Works. It is called Rose Water and Ivy, and it smells really good. I don't know what it is lately, but I've been really liking the flowery smells. I guess because I have a lot of like plants in my room now. I don't know, I just really liking the more natural scents. And this smells very similar to the one that I was showing you guys that I got earlier, the other collection by Love, the aromatherapy line. And that one smells really good. This smells really good, and they smell kind of similar. But I went ahead and got the shower gel. I got the body cream. And honestly, I really like the body cream, as you can tell, because I got another bottle of the body cream. I like it a lot better than their body lotion that comes in this bottle, just because I like my lotion to be more on the thicker side. Even in the summertime, I still like my lotion to be thicker. I just feel like the thicker lotion does a better job of just keeping me nice and moisturized. And yeah, so that's that on the lotion. And then I just got the body mist. Same line, same fragrance, and same scent. It smells really good. I just really love this whole like rosy, vanilla-y smell thing that I got going on. It smells really good. So I really like all the products that I got so far. And the last product that I would like to show you is another lotion. You can't have too many lotions, especially if they smell really good. So this one I got is the Champagne Rose scent, and smells really good, just like all the other fragrances I got. Although it's another rose scent, it does have a different smell to it than the other ones did. I don't know, like I said, I don't know what's up with me in this whole rose kick, but I really like it. It smells really good, nice and fresh smelling. So I really like this lotion. I like all my products I got from Bath & Body Works, and I will be using them because I love the way they smell. And that's just that on that. So moving on, I want to show you guys what I got from Sephora. And so I got a couple things from Sephora like last week, but I didn't like share what I got or anything like that. I opened them, but I've been using them over time because I said I got them like a couple days ago to a week. I'm going to show you guys what those are. But then yesterday I got something that I really have been wanting, and that is Fenty's new eyeshadow palette. They've been out for like a couple weeks now, and I'm finally getting my hands on one of them. I got the number 2, and this is the cool to neutral shades. I'll probably be showing you guys like a little makeup get ready with me type thing, just so I can show you guys what the colors look like. They have all the shades listed on the back. These are the shades. I think I just dropped something. But yeah, these are the shades that I got. These are the shades that you will see in number 2. And they have like just neutrals, nice transitioning shades, and they also have a nice pretty purple in there. Bring a nice little pop of color into your eyes. So I really like this palette. This is one of the ones that I wanted. There's a lot. I think there's 7 or 8 palettes total. You know, for now, this is the one that I wanted to get. So I got me the Fenty eyeshadow palette. I also got a new foundation. It is the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. I had another shade, but I had it in caramel. And I feel like caramel is probably just going to have to be a summer shade for me. It is a little bit too dark for me in the winter time. So I went ahead and went a shade lighter and got the shade Honey. And I feel like it's perfect. I feel like it matches my skin to a T. The next thing I got that I've been using for a while is this Milk Hydro Primer. I want to say this is one of the best primers that I have, along with Fenty and my Benefit Primer. Those are my other 2 favorites, but this one right here is really, really, really good. I feel like my makeup stays on all day. Like literally I can sleep in my makeup and wake up with a fresh looking beat face, and I just feel like I have a lot to owe to my primer, because without my primer I don't feel like my makeup would be staying on all day. This primer was rated the #1 primer of 2019, so I'm glad I was able to get my hands on it and to try it. Tell me guys what you think if you've tried it. If not, I do recommend it. It's a really good product. Another Milk product that I got a couple days ago is their Milk mascara. This is their Kush mascara. It said on the box, but I want to say it focuses on like volumizing your lashes, lengthening them, and something else. I only have on mascara right now, and I feel like it really does a good job of like lengthening my lashes and also making them look a lot more thicker than what they already look, because my eyelashes are getting a little bit thinner because I wear lashes like every other day and I put way too much glue on, but that's another story. It rips out my lashes. But yeah, I'm trying to be more reliant on mascara, and I was also out of mascara, so I went ahead and picked up this one, and I really do like it. It does a really good job at just, you know, making my lashes pop. And so the last product that I want to talk to you about and show you that I got is this Fenty setting powder. I had another Fenty setting powder, but I had it in the shade Honey. I felt like it matched my skin tone, and I just wanted something that would be a little bit more brighter, brightening up my concealer under my eyes, my nose, all those areas that I want to highlight. I went ahead and went a shade lighter, and I got Banana, and she's perfect. I love this setting powder. So the last thing I'll be showing you guys is what I got from Victoria's Secret. They're also having their semi-annual sale, so you know, if you got some extra coins, then I'd really highly suggest you go check out Victoria's Secret. If you like their bras, panties, lingerie, pajamas, anything like that, go do that, because I got a couple of things from here that I really like. And yeah, go snatch up that sale. This is what this bra looks like. It has a V thing in the middle. It's cute. Like, I needed a new black bra. She cute or whatever. She fits nice. And yeah, that's it on that. Next thing I got was this burgundy bra. Same size and everything. She's cute. She has like a lace detailing all around on like the straps. Has like a little bow in the middle. She's cute. I like the color. I like colored bras, even though, you know, no one sees them. They're just cute to be cute. I like having nice bras, nice panties, nice PJs. And I also got, these are so cute. I just had to get them. I got them in 3 different colors, but they are the Victoria's Secret blinged out strapped undies, panties, whatever you want to call them. They're really cheeky. I haven't tried them on yet, but they look cheeky. They look cute. Like, who wouldn't want a pair of underwear that was all blinged out? I mean, whew, I got the hiccups. You know, who wouldn't want a pair of blinged out underwear? So I definitely had to snag these. And when I mean snag these, I mean snag them in every color, every cute color that I thought was out there. So this is the burgundy pair. It also has the rhinestones on the side. These say love. This one, my black pair, they said Victoria's Secret on the side. And these two, of course, go matching, and I can pair them with my bras that I got. So that was kind of like, you know, that was kind of the point. But of course you can like mix and match them, doesn't matter. I'm not really into like the whole matching set thing, but I just thought this was really cute, so had to get it. I also got them in this coral color, this peach. It's not really peach, it's more so coral. And you know, they say Victoria's Secret on the side. And they're just really cute. I thought this color would look really cute on my complexion. Not that anybody is seeing them, but you know, I just thought these are really cute. Why not look cute, you know, under your clothes, you know, while you lounge around the house, walking around the house. And so yeah, I had to snag these up because they're really cute. So yeah, that's some of that. The next pair of undies I got was this kind of like animal print sequin. They have like a little bit of lace on the side. The back action is really cute too. It has like, you know, this mesh right here. It's a thong. And it has like a little cute little bow at the top. Just cute, 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 cute. Color's cute. Everything about this pair of underwear is just really cute. So I had to pick these up as well. Anyway, this is the next pair. I don't necessarily like the mesh part about the underwear, but what really got me was the back, and the back has this really pretty cute bow on it, and I just thought this was the cutest thing ever, so I had to have it. Yes, it is a thong. It's like like you can see, it has like mesh. It's nothing but like a mesh pair of underwear. I just thought they were cute because of the bow, not necessarily because of the mesh, but the bow makes this underwear even cuter, 10 times cuter. So that's on that. The next thing that I thought was like really cute that I just had to have was also on sale was this PJ set. It's like a satin pink PJ shorts. It has Victoria's Secret all over the shorts. It has a matching top with it as well. Looks like this. If I can get it untangled, but it looks like this. I just felt like, you know, since it's satin, it would be really nice to sleep in. The back has a razor back to it, and it pairs very nicely with the shorts. That's kind of what the whole point of a matching set is. But yeah, I just think this is really cute. I love pink, as you can tell. And I think this PJ set is too cute. I think I got it in a medium, or actually no, I actually got this set in a large because I have lost weight, but I plan on gaining it back soon. I'm about to start going to the gym again and working out, eating better, all the kind of good stuff. The next thing I got is this PJ shirt. I don't have any shirts that look like this, and I've always wanted a shirt that kind of looked like this. It was nice and like satin, you know, it's buttoned down, has a pocket, just gives you that nice comfy warm pajamas. Like that's all I really wanted, was some nice warm pajamas. I love being warm at night, love feeling good, smelling good. Yeah, I got the shirt in black because I thought, you know, I could pair it with my pink shorts since it has like a little black stripe in them, and it would pair nicely. I think they're cute. No complaints because I like it. That's why I bought it. So yeah. And the last two items I got were fragrances and lotion. I got the lotion in the scent Tease. It's called Tease. It's a shimmer lotion. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. I can just see myself like getting out the shower, bath, putting this on, you know, have like a little shimmer, little sparkles in my body, and also smell really good at the same time. And I also got a little roll-on perfume in the same scent. And like I said, it's just a roll-on perfume, mini perfume I can like put in my purse and carry around with me. And just continue to smell good throughout the day, because who doesn't love to smell good all day? I know I do. And so that's why I got the fragrance to go along with the lotion. So these are all the pieces that I picked up. I had a nice soothing retail therapy shopping day. I hope you guys liked all the products. If you have any questions about what I picked up or anything like that, please ask below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.